So you want to learn how to get your Discord token in 2024? You need to watch this video right now. I'm about to teach you how to get your Discord token, and yes, this is still working in 2024. Before we dive in, I need to emphasize that no one will ever ask you for your Discord token unless they are trying to hack you. No Discord staff or anyone else will ask for it. Okay, the first step you have to do is right click and choose Inspect Element. Okay, we need to go ahead to Application. Okay, now we have to find local storage here and choose Discord. Fine, excellent. Now, now that we are here, we have to toggle this button that is here, toggle device toolbar. We press it and we update the screen, clicking this little button, and here it is, your Discord token. Remember to don't send this token to anyone, but this is the way how you can get it. So if you like this video, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. Thank you. Easy way.